everyone, welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which will be a super fun video. I give you 5 tips on how to look chic, stylish and effortless during fall. With this video I would like to inspire you with also your pieces you have already in your wardrobe, how you can combine some pieces, some colors, and to give you some inspiration. And I would really love to hear at the end of this video, what is your favorite fashion fall item? In my opinion, it is a very beautiful season and perfect to wear one of my favorite fashion items. It is not too warm, but not too cold yet. I'm going to give you my best tips, so let's start. Tip number 1, a cashmere pullover, cashmere sweater, a cashmere coat. This is my number 1 tip for you. I highly recommend investing in a high quality cashmere item because you will have endless combinations on outfits this way. Why do I recommend a high quality cashmere item? Because you will have it for years. And it will keep you warm and it will elevate your look. And think about it, you will be going to wear it so many more seasons. We need to stay warm during the fall season, but also at the same time we want to look chic and effortless. I feel like a cashmere piece, especially a cashmere pullover, sweater, is a very important item. As you can see here, now I styled my beige color cashmere pullover with simple blue jeans, and then I combined the black blazer on top of it and my beautiful boots. I combined these beautiful boots to the outfit, and it's super nice and comfortable. It's an easy look but very stylish and chic for the day when you are walking around in town or when you go for a meeting. Both looks very good. And I have another version with the same cashmere pullover and a white trouser and with some white sneakers. I combined this white sneakers to this outfit. Again, it is super easy look, but you can see with the colors, a beige and white color can elevate your look very easily. In general, cream colors make you look very chic. To spice up my outfit, I combined the Hermes gloves in a hot pink, so you can see immediately how the look changed just wearing the hot pink Hermes gloves. Before I continue, I need to tell you that I have a free cheat sheet for you on how to look chic and effortless during fall, which will help you and give you some advices. Those little tricks which I personally use in my wardrobe. To get this cheat sheet, go to the link in the description box. You can download it and it is absolutely free. Tip number 2, a coat. A coat is one of the most important things that you should invest in and spend on during fall and winter season. Why? Because it's such an important piece you are wearing almost every day. This is the piece that people will look at you first. I personally feel in order not to wear every time the same coat over and over again, you really need to alternate your coat. So when you are investing in one very good coat, again, it will last you for many seasons. Then the next time you will get a second coat, another color, maybe another style. And so you can add more and more every season, more coats. So you have very soon a very nice coat collection and your outfits will never get boring. Tip number 3 is a blazer. A classic black blazer will last you so many years, and you can wear it very nicely for the end of summer, beginning of autumn, like a transitional piece, and underneath you just wear your cashmere pullover and you are ready to go. Like here I'm wearing the blue jeans with my black cashmere pullover and then adding the black blazer on top, and voila, the look is ready. Maybe also a scarf you can add to keep you more warm, and if you like, some gloves. Here I don't have the gloves right now in this outfit, so I just keep it like that. Another cute look with the black blazer is when you combine, for example, a sweater with stripes. This is also very trendy right now, and I think this combination looks very chic, very effortless. You can wear it to so many occasions. If you just go in town, strolling around, meeting your friends, going for lunch, or when you go for a business meeting, this is an outfit you can wear to so many occasions, and you always look chic and effortless. It's super easy to style. Tip number 4 are some ankle boots. For example, these kind of ankle boots, the heel is not too high, so you can easily wear it to work during the day, or even when you go from day to evening. They're super nice and comfortable because the heel is not too high. Ankle boots are always in season, so when you invest in a very good pair of ankle boots, you can wear it to so many seasons. You can combine it to jeans like I did here in my outfits, or even to some dresses or to skirts. It always looks very chic, and you can get a lot out of it with a very nice ankle boot. Because you are wearing shoes all day long, you should invest in a very good pair of shoes which are comfortable to wear, and of course to keep you warm. My 5th tip is keep a limit of 3 colors. This is especially very important during fall, during winter time, because you are adding more pieces you are wearing, and you should have an eye on that it is a limit of 3 colors, that everything looks very nice, stylish, chic, effortless. When you have too many colors in your outfit, it will not look very nice. I love to wear, for example, my white trousers, and here you also see like a light purple color top. This is, by the way, also a very nice light cashmere top, and on that I have the black blazer, so I keep my 3 colors there very easily and combine it with my sneakers. Colors like beige, white, black, navy blue, gray, these colors always look very nice in combination in my 3 color rule. And to spice things up, just add here and there some nice pieces, like I add my hot pink gloves, or you add a nice colorful scarf. So there you can add with your accessoires a little bit of color. You can still have fun with 3 colors, but it helps you to keep your outfit chic and effortless. So that was it from me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you have also downloaded my free cheat sheet for you, which you can find in the description box down below. And I see you in my next video. Ciao!